Hi there, Jonathan Drew here at onehourweek.co.uk, and I just want to talk to you a bit today, and particularly to those that are struggling to get leads, sign-ups and commissions in Padlock Income, indeed into any online business. Now this may be a little blunt, but I tell it as it is because I want you to succeed. Padlock Income. Can't get leads? No shit, Sherlock. Why have only a few of us Padlock Income members achieved 200 plus referrals already and multiple commissions, while most Padlock Income members have only a couple of referrals and no commissions? After all, this is a super simple business, right? Padlock Income is designed to build you a list of people and convert them into paying customers. You are given a unique referral link that goes to a highly converted web page. Subscribers that enter their name and email address are automatically added to your personal list. People on your list receive regular marketing emails designed to convert them into customers. They also get access to video instructions and are regularly invited to webinars. Padlock Income does all the selling, the chasing and the closing of sales for you. So, 95% of the work done for you. You have one job. The one thing you have to do is to drive traffic to your unique referral link. So, the answer is simple. To get 200 plus referrals and multiple commissions, all you have to do is to drive massive traffic to your unique referral link. If you do a few posts to Facebook groups and then give up after a few days, if you don't post regularly to Google Plus groups and Twitter, if you don't carry out your Padlock Income daily actions, if you don't follow through on your additional Padlock Income training, if you don't take advantage of my additional free traffic methods, then you won't drive massive traffic, will you? This is my mantra. Follow the plan and commit to constant and consistent action. Your results are inevitable. Commit yourself to 90 days of action. You will succeed. Follow this guidance, the instructions within Padlock Income, and the 2 free strategies that I will now outline you for at least 90 days, and you will see results. How to get directs, leads and referrals to your business using free methods. And in particular, how to get directs, leads and referrals into Padlock Income. Free methods to drive traffic to your personal Padlock Income lead capture page. You will be able to use these 2 methods to drive targeted traffic every day to your business. These 2 methods are suitable for driving traffic to any online business you may be building. Method 1. Method 1 is a unique business building community. This platform is suitable for all skill levels, no costs, no memberships, no levels, 100% free to use. Fantastic targeted advertising, business blogger, lead generation, traffic system, Google ranker, proven SEO and business network. This is an all-in-one business building platform, and it's free. Method 2, this method is a fantastic traffic exchange. This is an easy and free method to drive traffic to your Padlock Income capture page. For every site that you visit, you get one visitor to your Padlock Income capture page. When you recruit your directs, leads and referrals into Padlock Income, just introduce them to this exchange and you'll receive 10% of the hits that they earn. This is so simple. You get all the statistics that you need, a site rotator if you need it. You could even geo-target your ads. So get directs, leads and referrals. Join for free now. Find out more and get more free training at www.onehourweek.co.uk/leads. These are 2 stupid simple free methods to get more direct leads and referrals. Commit to yourself. Commit to 90 days of action. Commit to your success. Follow the plan and commit to constant and consistent action. Your results are inevitable. Padlock Income. Can't get leads. No shit, Sherlock. Take action now.